think so, Owlette. I think we just got way smaller.
Well, now what are we supposed to do? We were supposed to go play outside today. How are we supposed to do that if we're so tiny?
We'll just have to work together to figure it out. But first things first, let's get out of this pot. Ready? Oh, whoa! Okay, guys, your turn.
Ready, Owlette? Let's go!
Okay, guys, well, we found our way out of the plant, but now how are we supposed to get through this huge door?
Don't worry, guys. I got this. Super Gekko strength! Whoa! Yeah! We got the door open! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Woo! We're free! Great work, PJ Masks. We made it outside. Now let's go have some fun.
Guys! Look over there! We could have a lot of fun on those. Now that we're little, it could be like walking on a tightrope. Come on, let's go! Okay, ready? I'll go first. Whoa! Yeah, I did it! Okay, now it's your turn.
Super cat speed! Woohoo! That was awesome! Okay, Owlette, your turn!
Wait a second, guys. I found what I want to do. Follow me! Now that we're tiny, these flowers, they're the size of trees! We have a whole forest of flowers! Let's play hide and go seek!
Yeah!
Yeah, that sounds awesome! And look, I don't even need to use Gekko camouflage. I already blend right in!
Okay, I'll count first. 1, 2. Okay, ready or not, here I come! Okay, let's fly over and see if we can see the other PJ Mask. Oh, Gekko! Catboy! Where are you? Do you see them anywhere, people at home? I don't see them yet. Gekko! Catboy! Okay, let's go down to the ground and see if we can find them. Wait a second. Look at all those flowers right there. I have a feeling that one of the PJ Masks are hiding underneath of it. Let's sneak up on them. Got you!
Great job, Owlette. You found me. I guess these flowers didn't camouflage me as well as I thought they would.
Oh well, Catboy. All right, I gotta go find Gekko. Be back soon. Okay, people at home, do you see Gekko anywhere? Gekko! Gekko! Where are you? Wait a second. I think I see something down here. Follow me. Oh, Gekko! Gekko! I found you!
Oh, Owlette! How'd you find me? I thought I blended in perfectly with all this grass.
Oh, trust me, Gekko. You blend in a little too well. I almost couldn't find you at all. But then I saw your suit, and I knew it was you down there. Now come on, let's play some more games.
Okay, let's go! Man, now that we're tiny, these trees are ginormous! So I have a fun plan. Let's see who can climb up the highest. Let's go! I'll go first, ready? Oh, okay. Oh, whoa! Okay, guys, I made it up this high. How high can you make it up?
Wow, Gekko, you did make it up really high. I wonder how high I can make it up. Whoa, oh, wow, this is really hard. When you're tiny. Whoa. Okay, Gekko, I think I made it up just a little bit higher than you. See, you're down there, and I'm all the way up here. Okay, Owlette, how far can you make it up the tree?
Guys, you do know I can fly, right? This will be really easy. Woo! Guys, it's really high up here and really windy. Can we be done with this game?
Yeah, Owlette, because you definitely went way higher than me.
And both of you went way higher than me. Let's get down from here.
Wow, it definitely takes a lot of work being small.
Yeah, how about we take a nap?
And when we wake up, we can figure out a plan on how to be big again. But I agree with Gekko. Let's take a nap. I'm tired.
Sounds like a plan to me.
subscribe to our channel. Bye! Well, people at home, welcome back to our channel. Whoa, look at this. It looks like the PJ Masks hid Vampirina's favorite things all over her house. There's a red Play-Doh and green Play-Doh and blue. Oh, I get it. The blue belongs to Catboy, the red to Owlette, and the green to Gekko. Who should we open first? How about we spin our wheel? Awesome, people at home. It looks like we spun red. Okay, let's see. Do you guys see any red Play-Doh? Whoa, look at this one here. This is one of Vampirina's favorite things. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh boy, people at home, who can this be? Whoa! It's not only one of Vampirina's favorite things, it's Vampirina herself. Look, it's Vampirina as a little bat. Owlette hid Vampirina as a bat. So cool. What should we open next? Let's spin our wheel. Oh, people at home, it looks like we spun green. Okay, Gekko, he hid two of Vampirina's favorite things. Which one should we open? How about this one? Okay, people at home, let's open this up. Oh wow, people at home, look at this! It's Gregoria! Of course that's one of Vampirina's favorite things. That's one of her best friends. Whoa, that's so cool. Okay, let's spin our wheel again. Wow, people at home, look at that! We spun blue! We're gonna open up one of Catboy's surprises, and he has two. Which one should we open? How about this one? Okay, who did Catboy hide? It's one of Vampirina's most favorite things. Let's see who's in here. That off. Take that off. Who is this, people at home? Can you guess? Whoa! Look at that! It's Demi! Of course! Again, one of Vampirina's best friends! So cool! Okay, let's spin our wheel again. Wow, people at home, it looks like we spun red again! Do you see any red surprises? Right! Here's Owlette's other thing that she hid. Okay, this is one of Vampirina's favorite things. Let's open it up. Let's do 2 cuts on this one. Let's see, people at home. It looks like some feet are sticking out there. Let's take this off. People at home, can you guess who this is? Who is it? Wait a minute. Is this? It is! Look at this, people at home! It's Creepy Caroline! Whoa, she has Play-Doh on her face. Wow, of course that is one of Vampirina's favorite things. Whoa, good job hiding, Owlette. Let's spin again. Okay, people at home, look, it looks like we spun blue. Oh boy, who's behind this? Catboy, who did you hide back here? Whoa, Catboy, he's falling all over the place. Okay, let's see who's inside here. Let's do a cut this way, whoop, and a cut this way. And let's see who's hiding inside this blue Play-Doh. Catboy hid one of Vampirina's favorite things, and it looks like it might be one of Vampirina's favorite people. Look at those legs. People at home, can you guess who this is? can this be? Oh, whoa, who is this? Looks like a ponytail braid back there. Oh, just a ponytail. Who can this be? People at home, can you guess who this is? The face is covered. Let's uncover this face. Whoa! Of course! It's Poppy! It's Vampirina's very best friend! Good job, Catboy! Woohoo! Alright, let's spin the wheel one more time. Whoa, look at that! Good thing for us, we have one more, and it's green, and we spun green! So cool! Okay, Gekko, who did you hide in here? Let's do a cut this way, and a cut this way, and a cut this way. Whew, that's a lot of cuts. Alright. Gekko, who is inside of here? People at home, can you guess? Interesting. Who is this? Oh, people at home. What does that look like? It looks like somebody with a tail. Ooh. Who is this? Wait a minute. It's Wolfie! Of course! It's Vampirina's pet! Wow, people at home, that was so much fun! Who else do you think is hidden somewhere in Vampirina's house? Write it in the comments below! Bye!
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!